To connect Topstep to NinjaTrader, follow these steps. Open a Topstep account. First, ensure that you have an active Topstep account and you have successfully passed the evaluation stage and are now in the futures combined or funded account phase. Download NinjaTrader. If you haven't already, download NinjaTrader from the official NinjaTrader website. Install the NinjaTrader software on your computer and open the application. Set up a Topstep trading account. Once you're in your Topstep account, go to the Trader dashboard. Look for the account type and make a note of the account number. Connect NinjaTrader to your Topstep account. In NinjaTrader, go to the Connections menu and select Configure. Add a new connection and select NinjaTrader Brokerage or Topstep from the list of available brokers. Enter your Topstep account credentials, including your account number and password. Verify connection. Once the credentials are entered, click OK and connect to verify that your Topstep account is successfully linked to NinjaTrader. After a successful connection, you can start trading with Topstep on NinjaTrader and access all your trading tools.